Well, hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Patty. I go by Pattymac Makes everywhere online. So today's video is an unboxing, and typically when I share an unboxing video with you, it's something that I have purchased that I think you're going to enjoy seeing. Today's video is an unboxing, and it's huge. I mean, you can kind of see it behind me on the counter back here. This was sent to me as a gift from Tami Schubert. Tami, thank you. Tami emailed me and said she had been straightening out her crafting and sewing room, and she had a whole bunch of jelly rolls that she'd had sitting around for a long time. She wasn't using them. She didn't think she was going to use them, so she wondered if I might like to have them, and of course I said yes. You know I love making jelly roll projects. Jelly rolls can be pretty darn expensive. Let's be for real. A full-size jelly roll is like $42. So they add up, and they add up quickly. So when the very kind and generous Tami asked if I would like to receive a gift from her sewing room to mine, I was ecstatic and said, of course, yes. And asked her if it would be okay for me to open it on a video and to share her name, and she said of course. So I have all the permissions and all of that stuff. So Tami, thank you. Without any further ado, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the camera. I'm going to move you over here to the table, which, by the way, this is my IKEA kitchen island. It's a Torniken. I use it as my cutting and work table. If you don't know, I do have a video all about that, which I will link to for you if you're curious about seeing it. I can tell you, I love this thing. I've been using it almost an entire year. It's fantastic. I love it. It was an investment piece. It was not cheap. I would say for what furniture cost, it's pretty reasonably priced, but it's not inexpensive. So anyway, but worth it because, you know, it's an investment. I'll use this the rest of my life anyways. I'm not saying I'm old, but I'm just saying I most likely have more behind than I do ahead. So that's just, you know, the reality of the situation. Okay, so let's see what's in the box. Okay, this is a huge box. Let me just tell you. Does it tell me on the back? No, it doesn't give me the... Oh, it's a 16 by 10. So 16 by 10 by 6. That's big. So I've turned it upside down so that I don't put all of Tami's personal information out on the internet. Not all of us want to do that. And I'm just going to carefully open it. This is exciting. Okay, and just to reiterate, I have no idea what's in here. None. She just said, would you like some of the stuff? And I said, oh, yes, of course I would. Because I love doing jelly roll projects. But, you know, gosh, they are expensive. So anyway, I have no idea what's in here. I don't know what she sent. This will be just as much a surprise for me as it is for you. So here we go. Oh. Oh, this is really kind. Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on. Oh, look at this, Tami. Wow. Also, this is, how sweet is this? It's beautiful. Oh my gosh. Tami sent me a bag that she made. Let me move this out of the way so we can really take a look. Oh, isn't it gorgeous? Look at this. It's beautiful. Oh man, nice work, Tami. So she's got boxed bottoms. So this is a jelly roll project. Ah, this is really pretty. So that's a little, it feels like a magnet enclosure, or maybe not. Maybe it's a snap. Oh, this is really nice. And then she's lined it. Really pretty. So she sent me this as a gift, and oh, it's got really beautiful custom quilting along the top. Oh my gosh. That's gorgeous, Tami. Really gorgeous. Thank you so much. I will definitely use that. I love it. What a cute little bag. Maybe with Tami's permission, we can sort of deconstruct the little bag and make it as a project on the channel. What do you guys think? I haven't done a whole lot of bags, but yeah, this is super cute, and this is something we could definitely make as a channel project. So Tami, let me know if you're okay about that, and viewers, what do you think? Should we make Tami's little purse? And we'll call it Tami's purse. Okay, let's see what's in here. Oh, okay, these are fun. So these are all Joann products. I recognize the little bow and everything. This is really a pretty red, so perfect for Valentine's Day. This is does it tell us anything? It doesn't really tell us anything, but this is all blues and lilacs, which is super pretty. I'll let you take a look. And this one is all blacks and grays. Super nice. So maybe we'll use that one closer to Halloween. Let me show you the red a little better. There we go. Very nice. And these are all, oh, this is super cool. These are Kona solids. So this is all in neutrals. You know, you can't really get enough of the solids to go into your designs. They really do make a difference. This is all turquoise and purples going into blues. Very pretty. This is literally color wheel all the way around. And this one is oranges and reds. Oh, and peaches. Very pretty. Literally your color wheel. But that's a different video. So here you go. Very pretty. This I could see in a summer project. For sure. Okay, so this one, these are partially used. So this will be fun that we can sort of do scrappy and mix and match. This is a lot of blues. Very pretty. Neutrals. Tami, I can see that you're really a blue person. I like blues too. Oh, this is pretty. This has the butterflies on it. Oh, look at that. If you can see that or not. Isn't that pretty? That's gorgeous. So that's probably my favorite so far. I really am a prints person. I'm trying to do more with solid, but I'm still really drawn to the prints. This is pretty. So these are all pinks. Oh, it's like a little Parisian thing here. So we got roses and like French writing. The bicycle, of course, is very Parisian. It used to be. I don't know what Parisian is anymore. Does anybody know? If you know, drop it in the comments, because who knows what anything is anymore. That's really cute. I love this with the wicker basket and the flowers. I have a wicker basket on my bicycle also. Let's see. Oh, here we go. Oh, this is more. This goes. Does it go with this? Yes. Okay, so this was just loose in the bag, and this goes with this one. This is really pretty. This has like a mandala on it, which is really nice. Very pretty. And here you can see that butterfly. I love butterflies. If you don't know, I do something I call butterfly gardening every year. And what I do is plant specific herbs and flowers to attract native butterflies. And then I have a little enclosure. And in the enclosure, I'll put the caterpillars so that they, survive. Because otherwise, the birds and the geckos and all the stuff out back will get them. Squirrels also, I believe, will eat caterpillars. And, it is a really good food source, but I like to have butterflies. And, okay, this is really pretty. This is probably my favorite. So, it's shiny. I like anything with a little bit of gold bling. It's bumblebees, guys. Look at this. Oh, this is so pretty. Okay, this is definitely my favorite. It's got all that shine to it. Oh, and more butterflies. So, Tami, you know me well. I actually have, oh, this is a lot of butterflies. Oh, awesome. I have right now in my enclosure 23 chrysalis from black swallowtail butterflies that did not hatch at the end of the season. So, generally those overwinter and they will hatch in the spring. So I've just left them outside. If they were just doing their normal butterfly thing, they'd be outside all winter. So I leave the enclosure out and they get all of the rain and the cold and all of, the stuff, because that's what they would be doing normally. Isn't that pretty? Oh, I really like that. So this is a great spring project. So we'll do something for spring with that. And then she's included, oh, this is nice, a very nice, super heavy canvas bag. Oh, that's really pretty. Not all who wander are lost. That's like a really famous hippie thing, I think. Hippie saying. I'm not much of a hippie, you guys. Let me just tell you. I'll give you a little story time. I dated this guy once who definitely was a hippie, and so I have some exposure to, the hippie community. I'm not hippie at all. Not even close. Hopefully I haven't offended any of the hippie community who may or may not be watching this video. I kind of doubt it, but anyway. I'm entirely too suburban. I like my suburban life. I learned that about myself. Okay, so this is the gift box from Tami. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to lay it out so it's nice and neat on the tabletop, and then we'll take a look at everything together. Here's everything on the table that was in the box, and Tami, let me just say thank you so much. This is incredibly generous. I really don't know what to say, but I will just say thank you. Thank you very much. Beautiful stuff here. I will definitely enjoy sewing with all of this on the channel. We will make a ton of really fun projects that incorporate all of these different pieces. And let me just say, I noticed when I pulled the purse back out that it's from the butterfly fabric, and there's the butterflies in here. So Tami, really good choice for me, and I will look forward to recreating your bag for the channel as long as that's okay with you. And guys, let me know what you think. And I think that's all I've got for you all in this video. If you have a favorite, let me know what your favorite jelly roll is in the collection here, and which one do you think I should sew with first? Maybe I'll do a picture of some stuff, and we'll have a poll, and we'll vote on what to sew with out of this collection as a first project. I've never done anything like that, so maybe it's time. Okay, you all, that's it. That's the video. I sure appreciate you watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing the beautiful gift sent to me from Tami. And that's it. I'm going to wrap it up, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy sewing.